I'll open the Tables workbook. Let's convert this ordinary range into a table. Select any cell on the range and then Insert Table. Confirm the table has headers and click OK. You'll notice Excel converted our range into a table. When the table is active, we get access to the Table Tools ribbon tab. This ribbon tab provides many tools for working with tables, including the table name field on the far left. The default table name is Table 1, but I recommend changing the name to something more descriptive. We'll name it TBL_data since table names can't contain spaces. Easy enough. Next, let's use a table in a formula and watch it auto-expand. In this exercise, we'll explore auto-expansion. Let's start by converting our range into a table. We like to use descriptive table names, so let's name it TBL_sales. Now, let's use a sum function to add up the table values. Our formula will use the table's name. Sum, open paren, and then there are several ways to get the table's name into the formula. My favorite way is to use the autocomplete list. Type the first few letters of the table's name, TBL, and then hit Tab to autocomplete. Close paren, hit Enter, and good. Let's inspect the formula and ensure it includes all values in the table. Perfect. And now for the moment of truth. Let's add some new data. Type the value, hit Enter, and bam! The table auto-expands to include the new value, and as a result, the sum function automatically includes the new value as well, and the crowd goes wild. In this exercise, we'll explore structured table references. Let's use the shortcut Control-T to convert our trial balance data range into a table. Let's name it TBL_TB. Now, we need to write a formula to compute total debits. We use the sum function and the structured table reference for the debit column. Structured table references typically begin with the table's name, in this case TBL_TB. Now, to reveal a list of structured references, use the open square bracket on your keyboard. The top of this list shows the column references and the bottom shows various row references. We need the debit column, so we select Debit and Tab to autocomplete. Close the square bracket and the function, got it. And we can do the same thing to compute total credits. Sum function, table name, column name, close it out, and got it. We use structured table references to refer to areas within the table. In this exercise, we'll explore the automatic fill down feature of tables. Start by converting our range into a table. Confirm the table has headers and OK. Now, we'll name this table TBL_tax-data. Next, let's name the cell that stores our tax rate assumption. Use the name box and enter T_rate. Let's write a formula to compute sales tax in the first table row. The formula is the amount, which is the value in the cell to the left, times our tax rate, the named reference T_rate. Hitting Enter will enter the formula, and due to the fill down feature of tables, Excel will automatically fill the formula all the way down. Bam! To finish out the workbook, let's write the total tax formula. We use the sum function and the structured table reference for the sales tax column. Got it. As we add new data to the table, Excel will babysit the calculated field and automatically fill the formula down through all new rows. Now that's what I'm talking about. In this exercise, we'll explore the total row. Let's start by converting this range into a table. We'll name it TBL_vendor_purchases. You'll notice the Table Tools Design ribbon tab has a bunch of fun stuff to check out. One of my favorite items is the Total Row checkbox. It allows us to turn a total row on or off at any time. In this exercise, we'll explore the column headers. Let's convert the range to a table, and let's name the table TBL_transactions. When the table is active, that is, when a cell within the table is selected, as we scroll down the worksheet, Excel replaces the standard worksheet column labels A, B, C with the table's header labels. This makes it easy to stay organized when working with large data sets. There are many additional options available in the Table Tools ribbon. Let's convert this range into a table named TBL_checks. As you can see, Excel provides many table options, including various table styles. We can change the table style to one of many built-in designs. We can add a total row and emphasize the last column, the first column, and select banded columns. Take your time and have fun exploring the various table tool options. Chapter Recap. I think you'll agree that Microsoft hit a home run when they developed the Tables feature. Tables are a great way to store data, and I use them all the time. This storage container is flexible and allows us to use all of the special properties discussed. Data stored in tables can be used pretty much anywhere in formulas, functions, pivot tables, and charts. Since they auto-expand as new data is added, they are great for recurring processes.
This video is a production of Excel University.